Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get buy button direct to checkout on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can actually just head over into here of our left sidebar and scroll down until you reach the apps right here. So click on apps and then click on this right here in the all-in recommended apps. And then from in there, you scroll down until you can see the Shopify App Store. Now it will open a new tab and you can see the Shopify App Store. Now just click on the search bar. Searching here for buy button. So once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here some search results for that. So you can use this buy button channel, which is actually free, or you can also just choose this buy me stick to buy button. So for me, I can recommend to do is you can actually head over and then just choose this buy me stick to buy button. And then for this one, head over and click on install right here. So they have a 14-day free trial in here as well. So click on this. And then this will open a new tab and it will access in order to successfully install it on your Shopify store. So let's just wait for that to finish loading and then here you can see the install button. So click on the install button. And then from in here, this will load again. And then once it's loading, you should be able to see this application on your dashboard already. Now this is the application where now I'm in dashboard and it takes some time to load. But once it's finished loading, we should be able to add in here some sticking buttons or product file. So in here, just need to choose a plan that you want. So in here, they have some features for this plan, and they got also saying here that they have this widget, this around this one right here. So for now, let's just choose free. Now for this, let's head over and then click on this quick buy made widget. Now, when you click on this, this will open water tab, but you need to make sure that you also select a plan. So this select a plan right here, and just click on the select for now in order to click on this free. So once I have selected, I can head over and then just see that they have in here an actual tutorial how to do this. But since you're in here, just head over and then head over to this quick buy me widget. And then in here, you should be able to see this quick buy widget on another tutorial. But for this wall, let's head over and then just choose one. So we can also have in here the status and all of that right here. And this is what is a sample of that. Now we can also click on the stick by me widget. Now this is what it looks like as well. There's a lot of tutorial for that, and this is what it looks like. So we also need to enable that for this, as you can see right here. So they also have this stick by me cart. And on this stick by me cart, they should be able to see our tutorial. But now let's head over and see on the Flip side as well. So we sure it's also this enable and mobile enabled. Now click on save. And now in here, it should be able to make sure to add in here the buy me button, everything up, every file that we have. So that's the whole process. If you help out us with the help, also leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.